Okay, so I save here and I go into this web page. Okay, register button. Okay, button, I got the button over here, right? Fine. Then I have tried the code. So when if you observe carefully, what is happening is in this registration page there is a file present here. What is that is? See, multi-part form data. See, we are uploading one file, please. Here where it is input, let's say that this is the input. Okay, right here if you observe carefully, I'm uploading one file. So when there is a file, I have tried what? Servlet. Okay, so whenever you are uploading a file from the HTML from this particular form, okay, you have tried a servlet to upload the image. Okay, it is better to use that. So in the Java resources, so in the Java resources, I create one more folder because where this is a company's or company folder, isn't it? Company module we are developing. So new, what I do is, okay, I go for what one package I create. One package, what the package is, suppose company. Okay, company, right. Here in this company I am going to create one servlet. Now class, what is that is? Servlet class is there, where it is? Right, where is the class? Class is there, with servlet class is not present. Yeah, servlet, here the servlet present. Okay. So this is what I've been says company registration servlet. Okay, registration servlet, I click on finish. But whenever you create one servlet, okay, whenever you're creating the servlet, please, one thing that you have to remember, you have to stop the server. Okay, server, you have to stop it, please. So I'm terminating the server, right? Server, I'm stopping. And you also check one more thing. What is that you have to check, please? Right, let me show you. Let me show you. You see that in the web.inf, any web.xml is created. If it is created, you delete that particular file. That is what you have to remember. Okay, right. Now already there was I have created one okay, servlet that add student. Similar to this only, we are going to write the code now. Okay, let me write here. Okay, in the add student we have written this particular config and web servlet, isn't it? So that same thing I am going to copy over here. Okay, this I am going to copy, but here the same company registration servlet I am going to give the URL. Here I am giving the URL, the class name. Okay, and this multi-part config is going to take the uploaded image into this particular servlet. Okay, right. These annotations, two annotations we have tried. First of all, that is the first point. And a do get is not required always whenever you are uploading the image. Okay, you need not write this one. Fine, good. Now the same code, add student code, that I am going to write here, and I am going to change the code, please. Okay, first one is the uploaded directory that you have to write. Compulsory, you have to write this upload directory, first thing. So here I am going to paste inside the class. Okay, then in the add student servlet, here in the do post, whatever the code that you have written in the earlier servlet class, same thing that I am going to put in the company registration, and I will change it. So the do get is not required, so you put a comment for this one, and now here I am going to paste it. But now I am going to write the code, see, one after the other. Tell me what are the fields that I am going to take from here, please, from company registration. First field is what? Company logo. Okay, the name is what? Company logo. Company logo is the first one. So the file is company logo. So get part, what is that is? Company logo. Oh, sorry. This is company logo is the file that I am taking. Logo. Okay, that is the file part. Fine, that's fun thing. One thing. Okay, I close this one. Okay, right. Next, after that, company name. Okay, company name. This company name, Control C. I'll get back here. So I have to read all the fields now. Okay, company name. Next one, I should get it here at what? Location. Location I have to read. Control C. Get back here. See how I am doing. Control V. Next, I have to take what? Mobile. Okay, mobile, email, company level. Okay, so let me write here. Okay, mobile, email, company level, right. Okay, fine. Okay, company level completed. Next one is URL, username, password. URL, username, password. That's it. Okay, these are the things. That's it, completed. Password, that's it. Okay, not more than that. Therefore I have to save it. I have to save this one. Now similarly this also I have to change, that is company name. Okay, next I have to go for what location, then I have to read mobile. Okay, mobile, then it is what email, then then company level, okay, then URL, username, password. This is what we are reading. Okay, right, and everything is very same here. Uploading the image is very similar. There is no problem at all loading the this particular thing. Here comes what the JDBC thing. Okay, now insert into, what is the table name please? Now we have to insert into the table. What's the table? The table columns are, these are the columns. Let me copy paste over here. These are the columns. Okay, so right, insert into companies, OMPA companies. Okay, right, first one is what company ID is auto increment, therefore we need not to give auto increment. Then let me delete all this particular thing first of all. Okay, right, that is what let me write here, company ID is not required. What I to do is I better do like this. Okay, so this is the first of column. Okay, second column is this, what the second column, wait, this is the second column, and this is we require remove, and the third column that I am going to write here, third column, yes, this is the third column. Next one, fourth column also I go for, then here I delete it, then here I am going to take, okay, here email, fine, good, right, then I take one more thing like company level. So instead of typing I am making the columns here. After company level, what the next one is, URL. Okay, then the URL also space, remove it. Here I delete it, and the username, and here the username I am going to make it, and finally password. Okay, password, right, password, here also I make it password. Okay, all these columns along with the registration date, please, registration date also. Okay, control, sorry, here I make it a comma, registration date. Okay, and this is not required here, right, so this one I copy here, or cut the thing, and I paste over here. Okay, right, and here I am going to delete it. Right, so how many fields are present over here please? These extra spaces I can delete it, no problem. It's better that we remove these extra spaces. Yeah, so registration date we have to make it. So how many columns? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 columns. Okay, so I have to make how many? 10. 1, okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the 10th one is this one. Okay, right, now I have to add all that particular thing. First one, okay, right, PSC dot first one, what is the company logo? Okay, company logo means what? File name. Okay, file name, sorry, this is the file name. Already company logo is a file that we are uploading, so this file name we are going to add here. Okay, then 2 is what? Company name, so we are going to write company name here. Okay, company name, control V. Then what? Location, control C. Next one, location, and the fourth one is what? Mobile. Okay, here I am going to paste mobile, and email I am going to paste here. Email is a string only, control V. Okay, string, so this is what? Set string, I am going to say that. Okay, after that company level is nothing but, here it is, company. After email, this is what company level. Company level is an integer. Okay, in the database it is a integer column. Therefore, integer, set integer, and we write integer dot parseInt. Okay, integer dot parseInt of, I write okay, parseInt of company level. Okay, company level. Control C. Here I am going to put Control V. Right. And after that URL is there, Control C, here 7th one, Control V, then username, Control C, here I place Control V, password is there. Next one, last one is register date. Okay, register date, how we are going to add means string only. Register date is what? Control C. Okay, I am going to paste this column also, register date, but register date we have to create the date here. Okay, how to create a date means, let's say that we use a calendar class. Okay, calendar C is equal to calendar dot get instance. Okay, so I am going to write here today. Okay, what's the today? Today is equal to some string plus, or I can write what string dot format. Right, what's the format? The format I'm going to write percentile D hyphen percentile D hyphen percentile D. Okay, here I'm going to write the arguments. What the first argument? C dot get, okay, get day, get of, okay, calendar dot day of month, okay, date I get. Okay, next one, C dot get of calendar dot month number, I should get it, month. Okay, then I have to give the year, C dot get of calendar dot year. Okay, year, that's it. You will get the now date in the string format. Okay, so here it is going to substitute day, month and year, and the date will stored here. So in the registration date, it means here it is a 10th. In the 10th column I am going to store the today. Okay, today, that's it, finished. So today is substitute in the place of 10th parameter, the parameter 10th, it will substitute at the end. Okay, like this. And after that we have executed, and what is that is, now once it is created, where it should go. Okay, and the prepare statement dot execute update will get the rows. If rows is greater than 0 and successfully added. Okay, record is successfully added. So once the record is successfully added, means registration is successfully done, we have to navigate to where? Navigate to the same page. Okay, that is what company login. Okay, so company underscore login.jsp you have to reach. No response, nothing is required in this case. Okay, right, Control C, and if the registration is not done properly, then what you need to do here, it is you have to again show company registration.jsp page only. Okay, registration page only, and response is equal to 0. Okay, so that's it, and everything is okay, fine, everything is very same. Got it? Right, let us try this particular thing. So now once again I am going to run this application. So let me save all the files here. Okay, so let right click on this university placement portal, run on server, and here Tomcat, right, finish. Let us see, now the application is running. Yeah, login, company, and we go up the sign up, and now I am going to give all the details. Right, so I am going to upload the logo first of all. So I have some images in the downloads. I have some images folder is there. In the images folder I have some image. Okay, do you have any Wipro like that? No company is there, but I give some kind of image I am going to give. Okay, okay, let me give you some image. What is this? Is some image. Okay, no problem, fine. Okay, some school logo I am giving. Right, so company name is, let me say that okay, Infosys, location, okay, HY Hyderabad. Okay, mobile number, some mobile number I am going to give, email Okay, that Infosys at the rate gmail.com. Okay, fine, good. gmail.com. Company level is 5-level company. Website is some infosys.com, something like that, right? Username is what? Infosys, and password is what? 12345, only same password. Okay. Now I click on the register, but I didn't. I did one wrong thing here. Let me show you what is happening here. Okay, what is the wrong thing that I did? Let me show you, please. Okay, what is happening here actually? This particular URL, this URL, company registration servlet URL, that I have not given in the registration page. Okay, so when you click on the submit button, it should navigate to what? Action. Action is equal to, you have to write here the registration page, control V. Okay, then where it is present? It is present in the application name is what? University placements. So I have to write in university, okay, placements. So in this particular university placements application, there is one URL present called as company registration servlet. Okay, method is equal to post, and encrypt type is called multiform data because the image we are uploading. So now I have to save this once again. I have to go here, okay, in the browser, once again refresh it. Again I have to retype the all this particular thing. No problem, I'll type here. So the school image I am giving. So company name is what? Infosys. Location is Hyderabad. Mobile number, some mobile number I am going to give. Email is what? Infosys at the rate gmail.com. Company level is 5. URL is what? Infosys.com. Okay, then username is Infosys. Password is 12345 only. Now I am going to click on the register. So click on the register button. Let's see what is happening. Okay, so here some okay, comma, you got it, remove it. Then I am going to click on the register button. URL means okay, www dot okay dot register. Please enter the URL, website URL. http:// okay, let us understand this one. Okay, this is what? Not registered, failed. Okay, we got the student not registered. You got what? Okay, let us see what is happening here. I am getting one error. Okay, the error is what? This particular thing. See, incorrect date format. Okay, in the date format is not correct. Okay, for column university placement registration date. Okay, so there's something is going wrong. What is that? Let us find out that particular thing, please. Okay, the date format is not correct format. So what is the date format? Let us see, browse. Here date format, if you observe carefully here, the date format, if you observe, actually year, month and date you have to give. Year, month and date. But I have given as what? Indian date format, day, month and year. Okay, but the Java will take, or MySQL will take what? In American date format, like what? Year, month and date. Okay, so reversely I have to give. So therefore what I am going to do here, it is servlet. In the servlet I am going to create the date. Yes. So what I have to do is, first of all, year. Okay, this, let's say that control X. Okay, let me minimize this one. Okay, right, first of all is year. Okay, then month, then after here it what? Day. Okay, let's say that day of month, right, this is good, right. I remove this but extra comma. Okay, right, this is good. Now this is the format I have given properly, right. Once the registration is successful, okay, if we get the error, where you should go, please? We should get back to, right, we should get back to what? Admin, sorry, company login.jsp only you have to reach. Okay, if it is any failure, then we have to go here only, right. Therefore let us say, right, registration, fine. Now like go here to the web page, get back. Okay, once again I am going to give the password 12345. Okay, the previous input is there, because the changes we have did in the servlet, not in the JSP. That is why I need not refresh it. Okay, I did the changes in the servlet only. Once again I get register. Yes, registration got success. That is why I got company login. Okay, whether this registration successful or not, we'll check here in the database. Once again you browse, click on the browse here. So that's the second one, Wipro is added here. Sorry, Wipro, not Wipro. This Infosys details added here. Okay, see, all the details have been added. Is it okay? Right? Fine. Now what I'm going to do here, it is right. Now I'm going to implement the code for login page. Okay, login page code, how to write, let us see. Now what we do here, it is okay. When you give the username and password and click on the login, then it should enter into the right, the username password. It should check in the database and show the companies. Okay, companies homepage you have to display. Like there is already we written one company in the web apps company module. We have written module where company login. This page it should navigate. Okay, so similar to our login code, similar to login code, we have to write the code for what? Company login code. So in this particular web app, I create one more JSP file. What the JSP file is? Okay, company, okay, login underscore code.jsp. Okay, this is the code I'm going to write. And this admin login code, same code I'm going to copy paste it. I copy paste here, so that is very similar only. Now we have to do small changes. So username we are reading from that. See, this form contains username and password or not? Yes, same username password we are reading and we are printing out here also, right? And everything is there. Select start from not admin table. We have to find. We have to check in what? Companies table. Okay. See, I written a table called as, what the table name is? Companies. In the companies, we have to check the username and password. This username and password present or not, we have to check. Okay. So for that, I have written select start from companies where username is equal question mark and password is equal question mark, and everything is very same. Okay. If a valid login, then what we do? Go here for company in the company module. In the company module, go to company homepage. See, company homepage. Else you go to what? Else go to what? Company login only. Okay, company login and response is 0. That's it. Okay. So let me go here and refresh it. No. See, I did okay, little bit okay. So in the company registration, so in the company login, so when you click on the submit button, when you click on the login button, okay, the submit button, now where it should go, please? Where is the form tag? Or method is equal to post. Yeah, already we written here admin login code.jsp. No, what is that? Is company login underscore code.jsp. So this file should reach. So this form data should be submitted to company login code.jsp. To this file data should be sent, and it is going to validate the username and password. If it is proper username password, go to the company home. Otherwise, again get back to the company login. Okay, right. Let me again refresh it. Okay. So username, I am giving some random username and I am giving and click on the login. So it's giving invalid username password. Okay. Now I am going to give Infosys user password is 12345 and I click on login, and you see that yes, obviously now we have reached to what? Welcome to company portal. Okay. But in this company portal, we have to write one menu as well as, okay, one menu and some image we have to put there. Okay. So how to do that? Let me show you, please. Here itself I'm going to show. Similar to admin, okay, similar to admin, we have to add some files. What is that? Is menu file we have to add. Okay. So copy this file, and the same file I'm going to put over here, paste. Okay, paste. As far as now concerned, some modifications I'm going to do. Okay, some modification. Okay. So what is that? Is first one is what? Home means open the company homepage only. Company homepage. Okay, this is the one thing. Then what are the things are there? Okay, these particular thing I'm going to change in the next video, please. Okay, and logout is equal index. Everything is same. Okay, right. Now what I'm going to do is this menu we are going to add in the company home. Here I'm going to put. Okay, Similarly, admin homepage is there. In the same admin homepage, similar to admin homepage, I copy paste here, Control C, and company homepage also I paste it, Control A, Control V. That's it. Okay. Now I am going to show this one, but this is welcome to not admin portal. This is okay, company. Okay, company portal, right? Fine. Now if I refresh the page, now I got the menu also. Okay, but here I have to change this particular company's placements and all these things. This menu, how to do changes, I will tell you in the next class. Okay, and this image also I will change here. Okay, so for example, Google. Okay, uh, okay, so I say that company placements images HD, okay. Now I am going to go with the images. Here some images will be there, right? Some hiring, we are hiring some. Okay, right. Okay, this is what I paste it. Otherwise here save image as. Okay, let's say that placements. Okay, in the downloads it is copying. Better I save in what? Images. In the images, placements.jpg. Okay, save it. And what we need to do is, already I told you that this file what you have copied here just now, where it is present, oh yeah, this one what I do is I copy, go to this particular Eclipse, and there is a images folder is present, images. In the images I paste it. Okay, here I paste, let's say paste it. Now this placements.jpg, here I am going to change. So dot images, what is that? Okay, placements.jpeg. Okay, that's it. Now I am going to refresh this particular our website. This is what. Okay, now better if you want to decrease the width of this particular thing, please, height is equal to, also I am giving 90%. Okay, so let it be, the width and height will be same as that of that one. I don't want to control this particular image width and height. Let's say that what happens, what does it is going to do. Let us see that. Small, even you got it right, no problem. So better we increase the width to what, let's say that some 400 pixels, because very small image is there. Better you take a big image like 400 pixels. Let us see how it's going to appear. Right, this is okay, fine, good. Okay, let it be. So this is what happens. So remaining things that will continue in the next class. So we are going to modify this particular company's okay menu. We are going to modify in the next class. Okay, log out.